Good morning, guys, and Assalamu alaikum. Today is our fourth and last day here in Doi Inthanon National Park camping site, and our plan for today is to have a heavy breakfast, and right after that, we'll start wrapping up our camping and other stuff, load it into our car, and then start our journey back to Bangkok. As you know, it took us around 12 hours to reach from Bangkok to Chiang Mai city center. So we are expecting a 12-13 hour drive from Doi Inthanon National Park all the way to Bangkok to our home. And therefore, we wanted to have a heavy breakfast that is rich in protein and energy to support our exhaustive journey. We're going to prepare an English breakfast with two modifications. We don't have the halal bacon available in Thailand, Bangkok, or Chiang Mai, and therefore we're going to use pepperoni. And instead of a normal sliced bread or toast, we're going to use flat bread. So that's it. We have set up everything, and now let us start the preparation. This is the first time that we're going to use this housekeeper gas stove for camping. First, you need to make sure that the switch is in unlock position and the knob is at the off position. Then you will open up the compartment by pulling it up and just unpack and place one of the butane gas cans or canister by opening up the cap and uh, and just look at this neck. There's a notch there. There's a space for the notch there, and you have to place it in a way that it aligns very well with the notch available there, like this. And once you close this compartment, uh, you will hear a click sound like this, and you push the unlock button to lock, and you'll hear another sound that will make sure that it's in a lock position. Then slightly open the slightly slide this knob from off position to max position. We'll hear a sound like click. That sound means that your stove is now on, and the gray grill at the top will slightly turn into a reddish color, and then you can proceed with your cooking. There you see. So first we're going to add some vegetable oil into a pan and let it heat for a while, and then we're going to put the pepperoni slices. We're using this as an alternative for beef bacon, because halal beef bacon is not available in Thailand. At least we haven't seen yet, and we try to fry them a little, make them a little crispier on the edges, and seems like done. We just rinse them out and put them on a paper plate, so they're ready now. Next, we're going to prepare the sausages, and for that, we are using BKP brand of halal sausages. So we add, put them into a preheated pan with little vegetable oil and just stir fry them from all sides, and then dish them out into the plate. So they're ready. Then add a small vegetable oil onto preheated pan and add quarter of garlic paste and fry it for a few minutes, and then add 1 can of baked beans in red tomato sauce. Stir it for a while so that it mixes well and dish them out into a bowl. Next, we are going to prepare fried eggs. We're using a vegetable oil, the same vegetable oil, and dish them out onto another separate plate. And now finally we're going to fry these flatbreads, and they come frozen. All you have to do is to pick one, remove the cover, and put them onto a preheated pan with just a few drops of oil. That's it. And then fry them from both sides. Make sure that they are crispy and brown from both sides, and that's it. There we go. Now we're going to fry it from both sides, and then we're going to serve it. So guys, our breakfast is now ready, and we have flatbread, fried flatbread, fried eggs, baked beans in tomato sauce, we have cheese, we have fried sausages, um, we have fried pepperoni, which we are using as an alternative for fried beef bacon, and then we have uh, black English tea with milk. So that's it, guys. After breakfast, we are planning to wrap up our camping gear and start our journey back to Bangkok. I hope you guys like this video and other videos in the same series. If not, do check out our full series of 4 days of camping trip at Doi Inthanon National Park in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. See you in our next episode. Take care and goodbye.